Hello everyone. So now in this video, we are going to be doing a pepper steak. So what I did is my husband, he made some meat the night before, okay? And he did like a carne asada, all right? So I don't want to throw the meat away, and he's out of town right now. So I decided that I would kind of salvage this meat, all right, by doing like a pepper steak. So I cut up some red and green and yellow bell peppers, and I sauteed them in butter and a little bit of olive oil. And then I took out his jalapenos that he put in his meat, and I just, threw it in the pan. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary powder, and then I'm going to add a little bit of granulated garlic to it. I could have added fresh, but I'm lazy. My son's coming to pick me up, so it's like, ooh, gotta hurry. So, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of Monterey steak seasoning. And I'm just going to like stir that around a little bit. And I'm gonna turn the fire down on that. I just wanted to kind of brown that with the butter a little bit to give it more of a flavor. Okay, so let's bring that down. And then I'm going to, let me put it low. And then I'm going to add some red wine to that. And that's all I'm doing to it. And so there you got pepper steak. And I didn't have to get rid of the steak, right? I love that. I love mushrooms. And so I'm just going to like just let this simmer a little bit. And then I'm going to, I could do a mashed potato, or I could like put it in the microwave, bring it out, and then I could take a spoon and scoop out the pulp of the potato. Okay. And I could do two ways of doing the mashed potato. I could mash it with some butter and a little bit of milk and make mashed potatoes. Maybe even add a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic to it. Or what I think I want to do is I'm going to take and scoop it out and mash it with a little bit of olive oil, really get in there, mash it. And then I'm going to add some Kalamata olives to that. And so I think that's what I'll do with this pepper steak. And so looking good. Whoa, yeah. So at this point, it's done. It's a matter of just reheating it and creating something new to use so that you don't have to, say, well, I can't, what am I supposed to do with that? There you go. Check that out. Woo! Sure smells good too. That rosemary powder really blends in there well. So there you have it. A quick little dinner. You never want to throw anything away. I'll tell you, my sister who lived in Texas, we believed in the ice cream bucket. Now, if you're most people from Texas, you know what the ice cream bucket is. It's where you have an ice cream bucket, probably a Borden's ice cream bucket, and you put everything that you have that's left over that you couldn't use, you throw it in the bucket and you put it in the freezer. Keep adding to the ice cream bucket in the freezer. And when you got enough in the ice cream bucket, guess what? You get to make soup. I love stuff like that. It's a good feeling to know that you didn't waste the food. Oh, well, So you guys, there you have it. Now, you see, that was a very quick little thing. All you had to do was just slice up the bell peppers and throw a few of the baby bell mushrooms in there, and then the seasoning, and then with butter. Make sure you put butter with that, okay? And then you add that meat, saute it, and then add your red wine, let it cook down. And there you have it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. And you guys have a great day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Bye now.